Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about how to use the store procedure in our SSIS package. For this, I have a table like student details table. In this, I have a rows like 5 rows. In this, by using I have already created a stored procedure. In this I have created a statement like delete from student details, where student name is equal to this variable which I am going to pass. So I have created a variable with the student name. It is a varchar, and I have used this delete statement where this student name is equal to this the variable which I have passed. Then that row is going to be deleted. For that I have created a new SSIS package. In this data flow task, I am selecting data flow task and double click over here our source file. I drag and drop my source file, flat file source. My flat file source is in my on my desktop. I have like delete student flat file, like the data that is stored deleted here, that is going to be shown over here. So that data file is going to be of my flat file. So I'm creating a new flat file connection manager. So okay, then delete student, open. Here you can see these columns and advanced. The student id is integer, so I'm going to convert this into 4 byte signed integer. So okay, my flat file source has been created, and then I'm using OLE-DB command transformation. Here I am going to connect this. Before connecting into this, I want OLE-DB connection manager. So I'm going to create a new OLE-DB connection manager. Already I have that one. I am going to delete, and I'm going to create a new OLE-DB connection manager. Here I have to give my server name. For that I'm going to copy this server name and I'm going to paste over here. And mine is an SQL Server authentication. So now I am going to give this one user ID and password and student warehouse. So okay, and my OLE-DB command transformation, OLE-DB command connection manager has been created. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the connection manager. Here in this component properties, I have to execute. Like I have to execute this one, execute student question mark. I have executed this. So this is student is the where this question mark is the variable mapping I have to do. Like what's the variable I am going to map is, here it is a student name. It has we got it from our um, uh, uh, student stored procedure. So that one is I'm going to map with the student name in my flat file. So hit OK, and now if you run this, see it has been one row has been transferred. Now if you come here, see before that we have in the student details table we have these 5 rows. Now if I select this one and execute, see the student with the name EIE has been, that is in my notepad, that one it is deleted, like Archana, that particular row has been deleted over from this student details table. So this is how we are going to we have called the store procedure in a SSIS package, and that variable mapping has been done. So if you like my video, please share my video and subscribe my video. Thank you for listening.